Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your EPA license for an HVAC technician. And I'm going to give you guys tips, tricks, and ways how to pass your EPA test fast, efficient, really quick to pass it, and pretty much get you guys into the field as quick as possible. And yeah, less talking, let's get into it. And you guys might be asking, what is an EPA license? An EPA license is called Environmental Protection Agency. It is stated from the government. So those guys are just keeping an eye on you. So basically, if you let out like Freon refrigerant or oil from the compressor or anything that causes damage to the earth, they are keeping an eye on you. And if they see that on your record, they're basically gonna terminate or take your EPA off of you guys. So yeah, just be careful on what you guys are doing, be safe. But anyways, all that aside, it's just a piece of paper. It's just telling you guys that you are licensed. You could work on Freon, you could work on an AC unit. So that's basically it. You guys are just based out of that. So all that EPA information, that is very important. But other than that, you guys are licensed, you are an HVAC technician, and that's all you need to know. So yeah, that's the only thing that is very important to know. Okay, so when did I take my EPA license and when did I pass it? I took my EPA license in 2019. It's down here in South Florida. And trust me, I was nervous. So I'm gonna tell you guys step by step on what I did. When you guys start doing the course of HVAC, they tell you the date on when you're gonna take your EPA license. I'm gonna tell you guys step by step on how I passed it. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so let me remember real quick. So it was 2019. Yeah, 2019, right before 2020. I took the test, and there was like four types. There's type 1, type 2, type 3, and universal. I got the universal one. So that's basically the main one that you could work on all AC units. So residential, commercial, even the AC units in like a Publix or a Walmart. So yeah, you could work on freezers as well. So for every HVAC technician, I think everyone is going for the universal. But it's not that easy that you think. When you pass, like say the first test, which is type 1, I remember there's like 100 questions in total. There's 100 questions in total. And once you pass it, it's going to tell you how much you passed. And it will tell you, congratulations, you passed type 1. And it'll give you a percentage on how much you passed and how much questions you passed. And then you go on to the type 2, type 3, and etc. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I remember. There's like 4 types, and that's it. And you got to pass all 4 of them to get the EPA license. This is my very first tip that I'm going to give for everyone that is taking for the EPA, and that is take a lot of notes. The reason why I say take a lot of notes is because you don't know when you're going to take that test, because you're going to take it at the end of the course of doing HVAC. Just write down everything that whatever the teacher says to you, or any video, podcast, whatever. Pretty much you need a lot of notes. So yeah, that's my first tip. For tip number 2 is to study. I don't care where you are, where you're going, or any parties that you are going. You need to study. I don't care. You need to study all those notes that you took down. Study that EPA book as really good as possible, because you really need to study for this test and prepare for it, because this test is not what you think it is. It's not easy at all. It's really hard, it's really tough, and a lot of pressure is on you. Just don't be nervous on the day that it comes. Pretty much just be prepared. And my other tip is, well, it's kind of funny because my other tip is get like a snack or something. If you guys get hungry or something, just grab something to eat, or some Cheetos, Cheez-Its, or whatever, like a granola bar or something, because for me, the test was hard because I got really hungry on that day. So yeah, get a good breakfast or get like a snack or something, because I I was not prepared on that day. So yeah, just have a good meal. And my last tip that I'm gonna give you guys is get some good sleep. You really need it. I was so nervous the next day on taking my EPA test. I didn't have any good sleep at all. I was like awake all night. And yeah, just get some good sleep. Just don't think about the test. Just be really focused on it and just get some good sleep. And yeah, and a lot of good luck for everyone that is taking the test. So yeah, good luck at it. Good luck at taking the EPA. And that's all the tip that I could give you guys for today, because I was really nervous on that day. I just don't remember how I passed it even. I was just really nervous. And yeah, just good luck at everyone, whoever's gonna take the EPA. Leave a comment saying I passed it, or I failed it, or I'm getting close on taking it. I just want to know your feedbacks pretty much. And yeah, a lot of love, good luck, and yeah, until next time, see you guys later.